picked a red umbrella out of a thrift store bin. Clouds rolled in from nowhere, and I let the day begin. You laughed in my bad timing with a paper cup in hand. Then the first big drop hit like it had a plan. Now the pavement's gleaming, my shoes are full of blue, and every little puddle looks like it knows the truth. Lottery of rain, I lost but I won. Lottery of rain, you and me in the sun. Take my coat, take my name, spin that sky again. Lottery of rain, lottery of rain. Your hand stuck to your cheekbone, mine stayed wild and dry. We stood under the awning, watching buses slide by. You said bad luck's a doorway, I said then let it swing. And the street turned silver when the cold wind came in. Now the thunder's laughing somewhere past the trees, and the whole gray hour keeps leaning into me. Lottery of rain, I lost but I won. Lottery of rain, you and me in the sun. Take my coat, take my name, spin that sky again. Lottery of rain, lottery of rain. If the clouds come back, let them come back close. I was never safer than I was in that zone. One more drop, one more spark on your way